Pepper and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Why not give it a go in the Feed Polly Parrot game? Feed Polly. Pepper and George love to feed Polly Parrot. Can you see your score?
Polly wants 3 crackers. Polly wants more. Polly wants a cracker. Polly wants more. Polly wants 2 crackers.
Are you sure? Can you see your score? Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Matching pairs. Pepper and George love to play matching pairs. Touch the cards to make a pair. Candy Cat, George. George, Super. Richard Rabbit, Danny Dog. Candy Cat, Danny Dog. Danny Dog, great. Richard Rabbit, that's excellent. Candy Cat, that's right. Well done, you matched all the pairs. There are lots of fun games to play here. Talking Parrot. Pepper and George love to play with Polly Parrot. Press the squares to make a silly sentence and then touch Danny Dog is a big car.
Danny Dog is a big car.
Try another one. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Where's Polly? Oh dear, where's Polly? Move through the house and garden to find Polly. Touch all the objects to find where she is hiding. Try again. You've found her. Where has Polly gone this time? You found Polly. Where has Polly gone this time? You've found her. Are you sure? There are lots of fun games to play here. Dot to dot. Pepper and George love to play dot. You can win a sticker for every picture you complete. Touch the flashing star and draw a line to the next one. There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly.
Polly wants 4 crackers.
Are you sure? Can you see your score? Are you sure? There are lots of fun. Feed Polly. Are you sure? There are lots. Feed Polly. Are you sure? There are lots of stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. Are you sure? There are lots of stickers. Make. Are you sure? There are stickers. Are you sure? There are lots of stickers. Make a lovely picture with the stickers you've won. That looks lovely. That looks lovely. What a smashing picture. What a smashing picture! Are you sure? There are lots.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.
Choose us. There are lots of fun games to play here. Feed Polly. Pepper at George.